Velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, we take velocity v on y-axis and time t on x-axis. We will draw the graph for constant velocity or zero acceleration, uniform deceleration. Constant velocity means that velocity of the body is not changing. For example, we have a data for the motion of a body having constant velocity for 10 seconds. In each second, the velocity remains 5 meter per second. Its graph can be drawn as this is the graph for constant velocity or zero acceleration. From the graph, we can conclude that a straight line parallel to time axis represents constant velocity. Uniform acceleration. A body has uniform acceleration if it has equal changes in velocity in equal intervals of time, however short the interval may be. We have a data for a body moving with uniform acceleration. We can see that in every 1 second, 1 meter per second velocity increases. Graph can be drawn as we have a straight line. Conclusion. A straight line means that object is moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform deceleration. A body has uniform deceleration if its velocity decreases uniformly with time. Deceleration is also called negative acceleration or retardation. Let we have an example. A body was initially moving with velocity 10 meter per second. It decelerated uniformly within 5 seconds and it stopped. Its data is given by, and its graph can be given as we have a slope leaning downward. Conclusion. A straight line slope leaning downward represents uniform deceleration. Let's take another example. In this example, in first 4 seconds, its velocity, the velocity of a body increases uniformly from 0 to 8 meter per second. In this interval, the acceleration is uniform. From 5 to 8 seconds, velocity remains 8 meter per second. In this interval, velocity remains constant and acceleration is 0. In the next interval, from 8 to 10 seconds, velocity decreases to 0. Here, body has uniform deceleration. The graph for the motion is given by this graph represents the motion of the body. Till now we have discussed about the velocity time graph. Now we will learn how to find acceleration and distance from the velocity time graph. Remember, slope of velocity time graph represents acceleration. Formula for the slope, for any slope, is equal to vertical over horizontal. We have a graph for a slope. In this graph, we draw vertical and horizontal. The formula for slope, m is equal to y over x. In other words, vertical over horizontal. Area under the velocity time graph represents distance. Now we will calculate acceleration distance of the velocity time graph of the examples discussed previously. In this example, slope of the velocity time graph represents acceleration. We can see that here vertical is equal to 0 and horizontal is equal to 10. By putting the values, acceleration will be equal to 0 meter per second square. Now we calculate the distance. We know that area under the velocity time graph represents the distance. Here, the shape formed is a rectangular shape. So distance is equal to area of rectangle ABCD. Distance is equal to AB multiplied by AD. By putting the values 5 into 10, S is equal to 50 meter. So the body covers 50 meter distance in this case. Let we have another example. Acceleration for the motion will be equal to slope of the velocity time graph. Here, slope is equal to vertical over horizontal. In this graph, slope vertical is equal to BC and horizontal is equal to AC. We can see that BC is equal to 10 and AC also is equal to 10. Putting the values, we get the acceleration 1 meter per second square. Distance. Area under the velocity time graph represents the distance. Here, the shape formed is a triangular shape. So distance is equal to area of triangle ABC. For the formula for the area of triangle is 1/2 into length into width. By putting the values, we get the answer S equal to 50 meter. Similarly, there is another case. Here, acceleration is equal to slope of the velocity time graph. By putting the values, here vertical is equal to AB and horizontal is equal to AC. 10/5 is equal to 2 meter per second square. But we write not only 2 meter per second square, but acceleration is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. Here negative sign indicates that velocity is decreasing constantly. Distance of the velocity distance. Area of the velocity time graph represents the distance. Here again is the rectangular is a triangular shape. So distance is equal to area of triangle ABC. By putting the values, S is equal to 25 meters. Thanks for observing.